I just hate like being this close and then being like switch gears.
No, me too.
I mean, that's kind of business though. Well, we're excited to be able to work with you. We appreciate like all of your feedback.
Yeah, I love your lashes, and I think that what you're doing is amazing. And my clients love the fact that these lashes are made in USA.
Cool. That's good to hear.
So you said you use volume for even your, do you ever use classic lashes or never? Your
volume, everybody.
But I probably do about 2/3 volume, 1/3 classic. But I am like extinct when it comes to that. I think it's just because I've had some of these classic clients for like 10 years, and they're just like easygoing people. They want something natural.
So a girl that works under me, she's not, efficient with volume yet. So we've been giving her the Premades, and we ordered the 200 collection, and I have to say they are like amazing.
They're legit, huh?
Like really amazing.
Yeah,
I was
I'm happy
like,
to hear that.
okay, like the bottom, like the base is perfect, like everything. I'm like, so like me, like personally, I don't use Premades because I can do my fans. But I was like, you know what? I would actually maybe try using those.
Yeah.
Because they were really amazing.
I think it'll just make everyone a lot faster with this.
Yeah.
So that's what we're working towards. Is just like getting more people to get their lashes done. And I think the best way to do that is to make them faster, because that's probably the number one hurdle I hear with people is I don't have time.
Yeah.
And that's always been my biggest thing. I just refuse to spend more than like an hour on a client.
Yeah.
It takes too long.
Yeah.
I don't have a client that wants to sit there longer than that either. I just don't see, I'm like so sick of people being like, well, you just have to be patient. The client doesn't, mind laying there. They just want a good set of lashes. And I'm like, who are your client?
Well, but I think that they found the clients that are okay with that. But there's
always
everybody
gonna
that's
be
not
that
okay with that is not getting their lashes done.
Yeah.
And the data shows that like that is like the defining, like that's the thing that like that they need change the most before they'll come in. Well, we're excited to be able to work with you. We appreciate like all of your feedback.
Thank you guys so much. I really
Thank you.
feel honored. Thank you.
Okay, we'll talk again soon.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye.
So some of the feedback that we got that like, I know like from this morning watching the production line, like a lot of it's already been changed over. A lot of the stuff we've already corrected.
I think what's overwhelming too is everyone's like, I love the classic, but when can I get my hands on volume?
Which is a bit of a problem.
Yeah, most of the people
So,
want
like,
the volume lashes.
So my vote, I agree with you. My vote is officially that we move on to Premades. It's more challenging. It's more relevant. It's more scarce. It's the future.
Yeah, that's definitely what I want. Can we do it?
We can do it. We've come this far. For hell's sakes, we can do it.
Right.
The cool thing is that like we are not married to like a system that's incapable of doing new things. Like this system is built for customization and it's built to do this. Like that was the hardest part, was being able to make something that could also make Premades, and we can do it.
Hey everyone, thank you guys for following along on our whole process. We are so excited to announce that we are pivoting from starting with classic lashes to doing Premades. Based on your guys' feedback, we are so excited to be able to keep these in stock for you and to increase your time and make it so much easier for you to do lashes. So stay tuned, follow us on all of our accounts, and we'll keep you guys up to date. We're taking you along on the journey. So thank you guys for watching.